Hello everyone, my name is asifnisarr and today we will look at our project called Easywork, which we have developed using Java servlets, JSP pages and JSTL tag libraries. For an appealing and responsive UI, we have used the Bootstrap, jQuery, CSS and HTML. When I say the responsive, this means it will get adjusted according to different screen resolutions. Anyhow, this is our homepage. So it has about us section, the categories. Each of the category will take you the job listing page and how it works section. So this means you have to post a job, then hire the relevant skilled employee, work with a professional, and pay online being a client. Currently, this gallery have to be replaced with the actual instructions of the guidelines. Next, if you look at the team, so we have the Barry as a supervisor or managing director of the project, then myself, asifnisarr, and the Boran. Furthermore, in the contact us section, our visitor and a user can contact us through this contact us form. For example, asifnisarr, email address, and I will say hello. So the email is actually not been sent because there is no SMTP server been set up at the moment. Also, in the footer section, we have Facebook page for our company, which will take a few moments to load, and Twitter account for the Easywork, and a YouTube channel, and a LinkedIn company profile. In the other part of the footer, we have the privacy policy, terms and conditions, site map, Java API. Being a visitor, first of all, you have to sign up with our system. So I will sign up an account. asifnisarr. Yes, asifnisarr. Then email is this. 123 is the password, and I will first of all sign up with as a freelancer account. When a user sign in or a sign up, if your account type is freelancer, you will land into the freelancer dashboard, which have different sections. Being a freelancer, first of all, you have to set up your portfolio. So the profile setting will help you to build your profile. For example, if you go to the portfolio, most of the information is missing, which has to be filled out being a user or the freelancer. So I will go back and fill out some information like job title, my slogan, mobile number, and I will go back to the portfolio. Now you look at the portfolio has been now have all the information. I add it into the profile. Currently, still I do not have anything added into the system, so it's still blank. Actually, I will log out and log in with my existing account to save some time. So this is my existing account, and I have my work experience, skills and expertise, and academic qualification. So the same information I have added through these options. So currently you can delete an experience or add an experience using this manage experience screen. You can leave the ended blank and it will show as a present date. Also, there's many different kind of validation implemented, like you cannot add a wrong date format, or you cannot leave a required field blank. Similarly, you have the manage skill section. You can add or remove any skill, and you can add your education using manage education option. Uh, and you can add your bank account details, your address information. You can change your password. For example, if I give the wrong password, it should give me an error like please enter a correct old password and try again. Also, there is more option available, like if you want to deactivate your account or you're not happy with some of our services, you can either contact with the support team or deactivate your account. And this is, you can use this option to sign out. In the other section, the onboarding process, again, this gallery has to be changed with the actual guidelines for the freelancer. So as a freelancer, you have to complete your profile, find a job, deliver the job given task, and then you will pay it online. Currently, if you do not have any job applied, so if you go back, actually, sorry, this user have many jobs applied, so you will see it. Maybe, okay. So you can actually, after completing your portfolio, you can go back, go to the jobs listing section, which will list you all the jobs, and you will see the status like open jobs and the filled jobs or the cancelled jobs. We have one more status called draft jobs. So draft job won't appear in the job listing. Anyhow, we need to, if you have already applied on the job, you cannot apply again on that job. You will find this button disabled and it will say already applied. I will go back and try to find out an open job which I don't already have applied. Okay, I already applied for this job, did my testing. Okay, let's try this out. Okay, so this job is available for a freelancer to apply, and here you can see all the job information, the job ID, the title, the category, the amount, and the status and the posted date, the skills required, the company information, job description, company information, and if company has provided any link,
You're thinkers,
you're
engineers, designers, consultants, and developers.
So once you apply on a job, the client will process your jobs and you can see all the different statuses under this jobs and contracts contract section. So for example, if you apply on a job, it will first of all appear here in the applied section or applied listing, and then it depends up to the client if they further process your job application. You find some job under the interview section or the job refused, or if you're very successful in getting the job, your jobs will be, you will find that job under the jobs hide section. So for example, if you go to the job refused, you can look at this job and you can see your proposal status is refused, but the job is still open. This means the client is still looking at other freelancers for further processing. You can also have the option to view the job details, and you can see you have already applied on the job and you cannot further apply it again on the job. I will log out as a freelancer and I will try to directly log in with my client profile, client account. Again, when you sign in as a client account type, you will land into the client dashboard. Currently, this section have the static information which has to be updated in the later phase of the project as a reporting section. As a client, again, you need to set up your profile. You can add your company name, company information, company size, and embedded URL which will appear on your portfolio, and mobile number. Similarly, you can add your bank account, you can add your address, you can change your password. Being a client, you can deactivate your account and log out. So being a client, first of all, you need to create a job. So I will quickly try to create a job like ask engineer. I'll say hello test. Then I will select the category as engineer, and I will select few of the skills, random skills. Okay. So you can select multiple skills from the skill criteria. Let's say it's an 3 months job, and my budget is 1500 euros, and it's a fixed price job. And there's two options for you: open and draft. The draft job won't be appear in the job listing. So I will go ahead with the as the status open. After you post a job and go to the jobs listing, the most recent job will appear in the job listing section. So this is the job which is 3 months, and I have the 1500 euros budget which is fixed price and status open, and it is posted today. You can look at the job details. Since you are a client, you cannot apply on this job, and you can see other job information, the skill I have selected, and the company information. Also the job description I added during the demo, and I am also displaying the company information, and if they have any video, so it will appear in the job. We'll go back to the dashboard section. Once you have created the job, you can see all of your jobs under this all jobs page. Your open job, you can see your all open jobs. This is the latest job we have created, which is 3 months and 1500 euros budget. It will appear in the open job section. And if you save your new job as a draft, it won't be appear in the search listing. So a draft job, you can later you have to edit this job. So there's an option to edit this job. If you go into the edit mode, you will see the existing information will load as is, and you can further make changes, and you can change the status to draft, failed, cancelled, or closed. Anyhow, we'll go back, and similarly you can see the filled jobs under this section, and the status is filled. And this is, you can cancel a job, and you have the option to reopen this job. For example, our ID is 08, so I will reopen this job, and it is gone from the cancel section. I will go back, and if I go to the open job section or listing page, I will see that now the job is appearing on the open with the open status. You can, if you want to cancel this job again, you can cancel the job, and it should disappear from the listing. Similarly, you have the closed jobs and other statuses in each of the page. After a freelancer applied on a job, you can find the pending those freelancer proposal under the pending proposal section. If you go there, so in doing my demo, I applied on this job. And you can see when you go to the pending proposals, you can look at the freelancer details, the email, the mobile number,